Quick Vegan Blender Protein Pancakes. These are so easy to make and great for meal prep. They have vanilla protein in the batter, so per serving of pancakes, you're getting close to 20 grams of protein. As I mentioned in my ebook, I like to have them with peanut butter powder as syrup to increase the protein to closer to 30 grams per serving of pancakes. Top with some fresh berries and Ceylon cinnamon for micronutrients. To a blender, you'll add 1 banana, oatmeal. I like organic sprouted oats for additional protein and nutrients, your favorite vanilla protein powder. I like New Zest, and I'll link it below. And my original recipe calls for soy milk to increase the protein, however I didn't have any, so I added 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds and water. Then you're going to blend and set aside for a few minutes. Preheat a pan to medium heat and using a 1/4 cup measurement, scoop the batter onto the hot pan. Allow to cook until bubbles start to form, 2 to 3 minutes, flip and cook another 1 to 2 minutes. Stack and season with your preferred toppings. As I mentioned, I like the peanut butter powder syrup. You can also find other ideas in my ebooks for additional plant-based protein options, as well as a ton of other high-protein vegan breakfast recipes. I will link the ebook collection below. Blueberries are one of my favorite pairings with pancakes, but you could use strawberries, raspberries, or any fresh fruit that are in season. Topping with dust of Ceylon cinnamon for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, blood sugar balancing effects. Drizzle with my favorite all-natural sweetener, the pure date syrup from Devash Organics. I will tag them below with a discount. Enjoy and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy vegan protein recipes.